There's a microphone. There's a microphone. There's a microphone. Mom!
I don't know if this was a good idea, but here we are.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not sure.
Huh.
Was this a good idea?
I put my finger in there. It's delicious.
Don't put your finger in there.
I did not put my finger.
Okay.
Dirty. Mom, you say you want blue?
Yeah, no, don't touch it. Don't turn it.
Will you like blue?
Yeah, it needs to be blue.
I want blue.
It's blue. Blue and blue. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Welcome to another episode of Turn My Camera On. Saturday or Sunday, usually Sundays, I meal prep for the kid. Stop touch anything, because I think the audio just cut out.
Ooh. See
You
ya.
just think something's a good idea, and then you instantly are like, why did I think to do this? This is not, I don't know how this is gonna go, and I'm already irritated. Because I had already started the process and said to myself, you know what? Turn the camera on. Turn the camera on. Turn the camera on. And please disregard the mess as well in the house, because
Mom,
it just is what it is right now. All right, y'all?
I want to see you.
Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know what?
I want to find. I want ice cream and pizza. It's cold.
Can you stand, please, so we can make the food?
No problem.
All right, no problem. Week, I basically make, this is for the waffles.
Waffles.
I
love waffles.
I know you do.
Yummy.
I don't know how this is gonna work, because I'm a chatterbox, she a chatterbox. It's gonna be a whole lot. Hey, please, no. For those that don't know,
Don't touch that.
Kai is completely vegan. No, do not climb on me right now. She is completely plant-based.
Mom, I love you.
I love you too, babe. Although she goes to daycare, I don't give her the food at daycare. I send all of her meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, 2 snacks every day. So we pack all that up. It's a lot of work. I'm not gonna say it's not a lot of work. It's definitely not a lot of work. It would be nice to just be able to send her to a vegan childcare center where I don't have to worry. It would be really nice. That doesn't exist in this country, at least.
Mom, I to go.
Okay, come back over, please. Come on over. She's scaling the counter. There's no chair underneath her. She's just scaling her body across. Ooh, are you okay?
I'm good.
Okay, come on up. Finish this. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Ready?
So I usually use spelt flour, but I'm out of spelt flour. We got organic unbleached flour from Trader Joe's. We got a little bit of sea salt in here so far, and a little bit of turbinado raw cane sugar. I recently started doing all of this in the food processor just because I found it was just easier. I was like,
hello.
anyways. Hey, get your foot off the counter. No. It's not funny.
It's funny.
Hemp seeds. We're going to use hemp seeds for our milk. I don't know if she should even be in this video right now. So I've already blended that up. Let me give it another.
Sorry.
Okay. Super easy when you just mix water and hemp seed together.
No.
Now you have plant milk.
No.
You know what you need? Some grapes. That's the grocery stores that
Yummy
sell
grapes. I want to have some.
seeded grapes. Here you go. I'm putting them in a bowl for you. Here you go.
I love to. Yummy. In my tummy.
So the only way that she's going to be quiet is if she's...
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, babe.
Mom, would you like green?
No, I don't like green because it's not going to keep working if we put it on green. We have to leave it on blue.
Blue.
She eats fruit like she's never had it before. Every time it's like the first time. The seeded grapes be hitting though. Thank you. Thank you, bro. You're kind. A recipe written down on this.
Make a pie.
Get a piece of paper that I always carry around. But, because in the past, I would always just make stuff and never document it, but I've been getting so much better at documenting all of my recipes. I don't want to lose my train of thought, and I'd be losing my train of thought real fast. All right, we got the flour. We've got some salt. We've got a little bit of our turbinado cane sugar. Oh, our egg replacer. Chia. Chia. So I take my chia seed, put it in a little bowl, and I do 1 tablespoon of chia to 3 tablespoons of water. This is like a double-sized recipe. Like I said, I make enough for more than a week, ideally, for her breakfast.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, girl. So I'm gonna be using 2 eggs. But yeah, chia, ground chia is like a must. It has omegas, it's got lots of nutrients. And then it's your like egg replacer in recipes. Throw it on yogurts, make yogurts. Like there's just so much you can do with it. It's a must have in my opinion. And fiber. We need more fiber in our life, right? Right?
Mine.
Yeah. With the chia, I put in a separate
Can I
bowl.
use with my hand?
Yeah.
How?
I mix it up and I let it sit for a second, but not too long. Because if you let it sit too long, it gets too clumpy, but it turns into this like really like gelatinous, right type texture. Vanilla, some cinnamon, and I use grapeseed oil, sometimes coconut oil, but let's use grapeseed oil. And when I double this recipe, I actually don't double the amount of oil. I just leave it at the 3 tablespoons. Okay, Kai, do you want them to be strawberry waffles or blueberry waffles?
Blueberry waffle.
Blueberry. Just gonna add.
What?
Right? Wild blueberries up in the mix.
I love blueberries.
You do? Me too. All right. Boom. See how that was goopy? Nice chunky goopy goop. Start milk in there.
Mom, we're gonna do that.
I see that. Can you? No, that's not a good idea. Yeah, thank you.
How about this?
Sure.
How about this, Mom?
That works.
Like it?
Okay. What am I doing? Milk. Okay.
Look at my butt.
What? You have never said that before. What are you talking about? Why is she so crazy? Who is your mother?
I'm just trying to talk with my butt.
Stop, please. I don't know why we've been holding this. Like, what is this? Okay. Do we have everything we need? Flour. Oh, baking powder. Jeez. My poor food processor is just leaking. Y'all, I gotta get a new one. I'm so sad right now. I've had this food processor for a long time. And y'all, the ancestors about to have to, I'm gonna just throw that in there. I'm so sad.
Mom, don't be so sad.
I know, but I love this food processor. I didn't want it to end.
I like it.
Yeah, me too.
Yummy.
Mom, make it quick because.
Can you give some more grapes?
Okay, go ahead. Press the button. Press the button.
1.
Yeah, put it to 1. Y'all,
Wait.
so much water is leaking
Let me
out.
try.
Can you see that?
Let me try.
Oh my god, it's bad.
That's nice. Mom, can I try it?
Yeah, 1 sec.
No problem.
I'm so sad.
I want to try it.
I also made the mistake. Please do not quote
Don't
me. I
be
don't
so
usually
sad.
cook. I threw the blueberries in.
Mom,
too
try
early.
to try
Wait,
it.
just wait, please. Just
Okay.
wait.
Mom, can I help you?
Yes.
I want to lick it.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Anyways. You know what? Maybe we'll make it blueberry and strawberry because now we have no chunks.
I want to lick it.
I like to, okay, look. We didn't put no banana, y'all. What am I doing? This is why it's tricky for me. Filming and trying to be present and do what I need to do is like, shout out to those who can do it. This by myself is just like, I'm losing my train of thought.
Okay. Open.
My thing is leaking. I think this is the last time I can use it. This is it. This is it.
Yeah.
But that's not a good I didn't want it to end. Look at it. It's making a mess. See?
Oh no! Don't hurt me, Bob. I'll help you.
You help me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, I clean one.
It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna use the sponge after. It's all right.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw some strawberries in there too. How about?
Yes.
Okay.
Don't. It's okay. Don't be a little bit sad.
Don't be a little bit sad. Okay.
That's
Can you hold this bowl?
Sure. Thanks, Bob.
You like?
I love strawberries. Can I try it?
It's frozen here.
It's frozen. Thanks.
Ooh, the waffle maker is ready. Okay, like half of the liquid is gone. So.
Well, let me help you first. Give it to me, Mom. Thanks. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We all make mistakes.
We all make mistakes. You're right.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Thank you.
It's okay. Don't be a little bit sad.
Don't be a little bit sad. Okay.
Ta-da!
Here.
Thanks.
If you're a brand watching this right now, and you want to send me a food processor, we would greatly appreciate it right now because what is this? What is this? She's drinking this batter like it's a smoothie. Y'all. I feel like this is very chaotic, and I think that one of the hardest things in life sometimes is like when you're trying to match, when your vision don't match your reality, or your vision doesn't match your capabilities in the moment, it's very frustrating. And to be honest, it can be crippling where you don't even end up showing up at all. So I've decided for myself, we just going to show up. And that's what this turn the camera on is about. It's not a juice. It's not a drink. You see it's all over your mouth and your face. You could use your finger. There's lots in there still. See?
You see my finger?
Yeah.
How?
So we're going to do what we can. The best way we can. Until we can do it how we want to do it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you being here. Let me know if you guys would be interested in all of the recipes for her little life. I actually won't be able to film all of this, I'll be honest with y'all, because the amount of extra time that it's taking for just this part, I still have to make pasta, I still have to cut up sweet potatoes, I still gotta make walnut meat. What else we gotta make, girl? Snacks, still have to do some additional baking. So I usually do like brownies and muffins and stuff like that for the week. So we still need to do all of that. All of that. So maybe every week I'll film something new or a little different of a thing while we have a little chit chat. But right now I think the message is just show up anyway. I think that's what's on my spirit today.
It's tasty.
Is just show up anyway.
Mom, I want some more.
You know what's good about this? There ain't no raw egg in here or anything really raw. If she wants to eat the batter, just eat the batter. It's just hemp seeds, fruit, flour, a little cane sugar, sea salt. All right, let's see how our waffles do. I'll let you guys stay for the reveal. The reveal! Is it? I didn't even check how long it's been in there. Ooh, it's very ready.
It's a deal.
It's a what?
It's a deal.
It's a what?
It's a deal.
Huh?
It's a deal. Is it ready?
Is it ready? Yeah, it's ready. You know when you don't know what they be saying sometimes? Woo. 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 She pretty. She pretty though, baby. She pretty.
What?
Woo. I just burnt my hand.
What's wrong?
Right? I just touched it with my hand by
Right?
accident. Right?
What's wrong?
I just touched it with my hand by accident. You know what you're laughing about, girl? Is that you being mean? Are you being mean?
No.
What are you being?
I just tried to laugh.
You just tried to laugh? Were you
Yeah.
trying to laugh at me?
Yes, I tried to laugh at you.
Why?
Yeah, I'm just laughing with you. I just tried to laugh like,
You just trying to laugh with me?
yeah.
Oh, okay. It's always trying to find the perfect amount to pour in there that will let it come out like the perfect
Listen,
circle.
5 seconds.
5 seconds?
Yes.
I think it needs to I think it's typically like 3 minutes-ish. I don't know.
Yeah.
We just be going with the vibes.
Huh.
It's kind of warm. Kind of want to eat it warm, but
It's warm. Ooh, it's ready.
it's ready, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of warm. It's hot.
Did you know the passcode?
Do I know the passcode?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
Knock, knock, knocky, knocky, knock, knock, knock.
Mm-hmm.
Boom!
Woo!
It's just me, Princess.
It's you?
Yeah, it's just me.
Is this you?
Yeah, it's just me.
Oh, okay. Hi, welcome.
Look. Hey, get away! Get away, buggy, buggy, fly.
Buggy, buggy, fly.
I want to have taste it.
It's warm. Ooh, it's hot.
Mmm. It's so yummy.
Can I have some?
Mm-hmm. It's good.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. I like the blueberry all blended up like that. Okay.
Okay.
When them say fall turn in a fashion. Mm-hmm. Cheers.
No.
It took a while to perfect the perfect plant-based waffle and pancake.